You guys, so recently I found out that Google do not really do their search engine evaluation by themselves. Instead, they outsource these tasks to companies that are into digital marketing and customer service to help them do these jobs. And in turn, these companies are always looking for people to read these ads for them and they pay them. Now, let me explain what I mean by this. Search engine evaluation is just the process Google uses to measure the results people get when they search something online, or the user experience when they search something online. And in most cases, they don't do this themselves. They give it to companies that help them do this. And this company, what they do is they hire people, and these people they hire do not really need to have any special degree. They don't have to have tons of experience or to be physical in their offices to do this job. So they outsource it to people in different locations around the world to do this job. So in this video, I'm going to share with you these jobs and how you can get started from the comfort of your home. All you need is a smartphone. You must have a Google account that has a Gmail, like you must have a Gmail account to be able to get started. And of course, you have to have some knowledge when it comes to search engine optimization and keyword stuff like that. So I'm going to show you everything and how you can get started doing these jobs. So this job can come in different forms. They can call them PPC analysts, that is pay-per-click analysts, or they can call them search ads evaluators, or they can call them internet ads assessors, or they can also call them ads quality raters. Now these are different names they give this job, and most times these people do the same thing, which is usually to create ads, analyze ads, optimize ads, and all those stuff. So you just basically have to read and analyze ads. So that is basically all you have to do. So to get started doing this job, you need to go to Google Skills Shop and take this Google Ads certification course. Now this course comes in different forms, like there are beginners, there are intermediate, and there are advanced versions of this course depending on where you want to get started. But it's advisable if you're a beginner, you should start as a beginner. So it can take you around 76 hours to complete or 21 hours to complete. You just have to create your account with Google and then start taking this course, and it is for free. Once you're done with this Google Ads certification course, then you can go to these companies I'm going to mention now to start looking for a job. Now on the average, you can earn anywhere from $18 to $36 per hour doing this job depending on your location, because in most cases they need you to speak some languages, like you can speak English and additional language to be able to get started. So the first company is one that provides business solutions like sales, tech support solutions, and customer related services too. They also do search engine evaluation for Google, and they have jobs for people that are looking to read Google ads. So if you come to the website, so this is basically how the website looks like, and these are the type of services they offer. And to apply for this job, all you have to do is to apply. You take the assessment test, because they're going to give you some assessment tests to do. That is why that course is very important for you to take it before you start, making your application. And of course, they do their interview process and stuff like that. So here, to see the jobs available, you go to this place where there is all jobs. Then you're going to type in ads here and search. So as you can see, there's personalized internet ads assessor here. There's personalized internet ads assessor, Icelandic speaker in Iceland, and so many other speakers here in different languages, as you can see here on the screen. So depending on the one you're interested in, assuming you're interested in this one, you click on it. Now this one is for people in China. There are lots of requirements here and what they offer. As you can see, they have lunch benefits and so much more. So depending on where your location is, you can search for the one that suits you best, and then you can make your application and get started with this website. On the average, people that do this job on this website earn from $18 to $36 per hour doing this job. And of course, this can vary depending on your location. So you can check your location. If it's there, you can make your application and hopefully it works for you. So the next one is Welocalize. As you can see, just like the previous one, they offer similar services like stronger engagement, increased revenue, reduced risk, high conversion rates, and stuff like that. All those digital marketing related services. And on this platform, they also use AI technologies to deliver on the jobs that, as you can see here on the platform. So if you're looking for such jobs, you come here on the job level, and then you're going to see a lot of jobs here. So you're going to scroll down to look for ads related jobs here where it says AI. So you're going to scroll down here. You can see where it says search quality rater, and these are part of the jobs. And of course, this one is what our interest is on, which is ads quality rater, and this one is for the Philippines, this one is Icelandic, Indonesia, Malaysia, Spanish, Telugu, Thai, depending on your country. You can see there are lots of countries here. So if you're interested in any of these, so you can click on any one, assuming you're interested in this one. So you can see what the job entails, and you're expected to commit at least 5 hours per week to do this job, and this one is going to pay you approximately $4 per hour. This job, the payment differs depending on your location. And there is no formal interview for this job, no phone calls, no waiting, no wasting time or anything. Just go straight to doing the job. But they will have to do identity check on you for you to be able to get started doing this job. So these are the requirements. You have to be strong with English, both in writing and speaking, and so many other things here. So on the average, you can work 20 hours per week doing this job as an ad quality rater. So if you're in the Philippines, you might want to check this out, and also you can check out for the ones that are in your country so that you can get started doing this job. So the next company is one that does projects for different fields in different locations. So if you're interested in doing this job on this platform, they call it Search as Evaluator. That is Appen. Appen is a very popular website where people that are looking for remote jobs or field jobs or work from home jobs come and they get jobs on this platform. So here you don't need anything much. If you come to the website, as you can see, they are currently looking for people, and the name of the project is Arrow for this particular one, and you basically help to improve search ad results for one of the world's largest search engines. And if you check properly, it's going to be Google, because it's one of the world's largest. So the requirement is that you must have a smartphone, Gmail address, and pass a qualification exam. So you can see that most of them you have to take a qualification exam, and the minimum work requirement is 10 hours per week for this particular one. And then you pass all the client service level checks, and then you must be able to rate tasks in the languages in the locale you live in, as well as in English. So what it means is that wherever this job is, you must be able to speak that language, and of course English language to be able to do the job well. So that's basically all you need to get started. Although they did not really specify the amount you get to earn on this platform, but from my research, you can earn anywhere from $18 to $32 per hour depending on your location doing job on Appen. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check it out. Before we continue with the next website, please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. If you've seen value so far in this video, this is the only way you can support this channel. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate you all for your support. So moving on, the next one we're going to talk about is another company that is similar to the first and the second one I mentioned. What they offer is customer support services and digital marketing services to businesses. So this particular one, they call it PPC analyst. What it basically means is pay-per-click analyst. So if you come to the website, you can see the name of the website is Coalition Technologies, and they are looking for PPC analyst. So here is why you should apply to the job. Of course, it's 100% remote, and this one offers international health reimbursement program for all international teams. What it means is if you're an international person or you don't stay in the United States, you are welcome to apply to this job, and you have device upgrade and learning reimbursement programs. What it means is that they may possibly give you some devices to use to do this job, and they have incentives and bonuses that you may stand to earn. So here are the requirements you should have. You should be experienced with Google Ads Editor and Blink Ads Editor. You should have experience using keyword planner and tools, and a lot of other things here that you can learn. And these are your tasks, which is certainly surrounded around creating, analyzing, optimizing Google Ads and all those kind of stuff. So on the average on this particular platform, the base pay for this position ranges from $15 to $35 per hour, and this is determined by your experience, the qualification, your skill test performance, geographical location, and seniority of position that is being offered to you. And if you're interested, you can come here and fill out this form, upload your resume and cover letter to get started working on this platform. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to go on that platform and check it out. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites I mentioned in the comment section, where you can easily find them and get started doing these jobs. Now, depending on your location, you can actually find these jobs using these names that I mentioned earlier to make your search on places like LinkedIn. Search for Search as Evaluator or PPC Analyst, or you can search for Internet Ad Assessor or Ad Raters or Ad App Evaluators. These are some of the names that this job goes by that you can actually use to search for it in your location. You can search for it in your country and see what the result is going to show you. Hopefully you're going to see the one that is in your location that you can make application to, and hopefully it works for you. You can check for it on Fiverr. If there's a service like that, you can start offering for people. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're looking for other remote work from home jobs, you might want to consider checking these videos showing on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.